Hey gamers, everybody's 13258 here, and my friend AG Putty, yeah, she said, look at this, it's a summer carnival in the middle of winter. And as you can see, she has cotton candy, so this is really weird because, oh my gosh, all the names are in Spanish. This is really glitchy. This is really glitchy. It's in like Brazilian. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. What happened to special delivery? What happened to special delivery? And there's nothing in the stores. And this is so weird. I mean, is this a glitch? Oh my god. This is so weird. I don't have free chat here. What? This is weird. Oh my gosh. Come to where? No, where? What? Come to me. Oh my god. Come to me. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Come to me. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. This is so weird. Wildcat? Run. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Oh my gosh, this is weird. Is this like a glitch? What happened to special delivery? And this is so weird. I mean, oh my gosh. There's nothing in stores. There's like nothing. And here, if you look at it, it's like 2.001. Oh my god. 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 I'm freaking out. Oh my gosh. Everything's in. Oh my gosh. Swag. Okay. Oh my god. 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 Freaking out here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are, oh yeah. I think I speak Brazilian or, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait, I need to get the secret blue card quickly. This is so weird. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Where's my friend? I know, it was so freaky. How is this even possible? How is that possible? I mean, is there a glitch going on? I know. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Oh yes, it's back. OMG. Why is there summer carnival in the middle of February. I think, yeah, I spelled it wrong. Wait, still nothing in stores. What? This is so weird. I mean, I'm kind of like, is there a glitch going around? Why can you buy tickets? I mean, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I need recycling more quickly. Oh my gosh. The panda never proved useful to me. Why can't I recycle it? Okay. Now I have 500 gems. I'm kinda scared, right? Yeah, it's obviously a glitch. That I'm gonna make cotton candy while I'm at it because, I mean, I forget this because it was in summer. I'm gonna make cotton candy. And then it appears as Phantom. The striped one. And there's gonna be pink on the bottom. Blue. Then yeah, there you go. At least there is cotton candy. Okay, yeah, this is really weird, so, I mean, because it's not even summer, it's the middle of February. Middle of February, and there is a summer carnival, but it's like in July when they brought back. Yeah, I'm gonna go to my friend. What? Oh my god, so scared, so scared. I'm just gonna sit here. Yeah, just chilling. Yep, well, that's about it. And maybe if it's still around, you can go. So, bye, bunny.